Right, on a ride today. I wonder what bike that is. That's a Honda CBR. Off-roading. Right then. Now we're off to nice little cafe, picnic and all that. Now let's see if we can get sample some nice beer from a brewery. It's a Micro Brewery, I believe. Never been there before, so we're gonna have to go and see what it's all like. It's a nice bike. I'll just put the lights on, eh? Whoa! Suicidal pigeon. There's the race course again. I don't think they race cars or bikes there. I think it's horses. I don't know much really. Best thing about doing these little routes is not a lot of coppers about usually. Saturday, so all the coppers should be at the biker spots. It wants us to go up there. It's sending us up there. I don't know why it's sending us up there.
That's a bit odd, yeah.
Is it a byway? It is a public way. Sorry, the sat-nav just wanted to take us down a gravel road. Huh. I've never been down there before either. I might have actually, but I just can't remember. I'll have to add it to my list. Yeah, I think my camera conked out first thing this morning. It might have conked out again. Cool. Don't want. There's buses that come through here. That's insane. What the hell's a droke? Oh, clink, 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 all the stones. I'm 99% sure I said no narrow roads. And not only did it pick narrow roads, it picked proper off-road sections as well. On a single track road. Oh yeah, lights on that help. I selected avoid narrow roads. Why are we going down here? Okay, this is too narrow for sports bikes. Okay for sports tourers. Why am I going off road? Ooh, not the most comfortable roads I'm on today. I do like these roads, but preferably not on my lovely VFR. Well, it's not so lovely anyway, so I need to, you see with the BMW I just plan a road and just go, yeah, let's do it. VFR, yeah, I plan a road, and then I'm like, oh yeah, hang on, I'm on a VFR. This isn't the best for the VFR. This would be good on the Beamer. Ow, 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 ow. The road's disappearing. Now I'm just straight up off-roading now. Okay, I think my route planning is fine for the BMW, fine for adventure riding, just not great for sports bike riding. Ugh. See, when I owned my sports bike, I used to have I know my sports bike, my sat-nav used to have a sports bike mode, which was relatively great. That Garmin was fantastic, very old. Now I've got this Kavaiga app and it doesn't have that sort of thing. Although I thought I picked avoid narrow roads. We will have words, strong words in a minute with the Kavaiga. Oh! Just all this gravel in the middle of the road. Whee! What is it doing? It's playing ridiculous buggers again. Why is it taking us all the way down? It does, yeah. Hey, let's try this again. Oh, we're hot, are we? So Kavaiga trying to send us down byways, bridle paths. That's not good, is it? It's not in walking mode, is it? Cool, I think it's had a complete meltdown today. Right. That's better. Oh, there's all that gravel in the corner. Yeep. Okay, we'll go in here. I mean, what a silly place to have gravel, right on the corner. Just asking for trouble, that is. Right, so we've got priority, but will the cars give us priority? That's the good question. Oh, you can get 2 cars down there. See, now even Google Maps is playing with me. Maybe Google Maps has like a profile thing that it builds, saying, well, we're tracking him, and we know he likes to ride on these roads, so let's make him go down these roads. Maybe that's what Google Maps is doing. Maybe Google Maps has like a hidden profile. That'd be interesting if I could get someone else who's not, and if I can get like my dad. No, my dad doesn't really Google Maps, does he? Someone who uses Google Maps but only for the car, and compare routes, see if Google Maps is basically screwing around with you. I mean, that would be kind of interesting if it is, because I think it is now. Like, there's no way Google Maps would never take you down roads like these before. I came off Kavaiga because I was getting sick and tired of going down these routes, but maybe this is the only route that there is. Cool. Look at the mountain of gravel in the way. Well, this road's a bit bumpy. Fool's Gold. Tillingbourne Brewery. That's not a turning circle, it's absolutely garbage. You lead. Right. If you're going to come to this brewery, an off-road bike, or a bit dirty, because this is road. And is it for VFR? Okay, and he's on his V-Strom. It's not the, I don't know, big one. It's a big one. Litre, 1000. V-Strom litre. V-Strom litre. Oh, this is horrible. This is. This is proper off-roading. This is. Oh. Not that bad, but yeah. Next time I come along this one. Not the VFR. Not the VFR next time. anything but. Oh, this is yeah, this is not great. So yeah, if you're going to come to Tillingbourne Brewery and get yourself some Fool's Gold, we've got Dormouse and Troll something. I think I'll drink that over the weekend. And yeah. Oh, I'm coming. Oh, it's harder going in, I think, than going out because it's downhill, I think. Okay. Oof. Definitely going to come back here another time though. There's a lot of beers there to try. Right, well, that'll end the video here, I think. We're going to ride home, have a drink, see what this beer tastes like, and if it's any good I'll let you know here. But yeah, other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video, whatever that might be. Goodbye.